We've got 4 Dow components reporting today: Goldman, J&J, United Health and IBM. IBM after the close today. This market really is all about profits, which are currently being reported. Brian Wesbury is with us, Chief Economist at First Trust Advisors. All right, Brian, the numbers so far have looked really pretty good.
They're blowout.
They're that good?
Yeah, they're 29% earnings growth right now, Stuart, with 35 companies or so reporting. This is a blowout year for earnings, and that's why the stock market's going to be up. And forget Mueller, forget trade wars, forget all of this stuff. You got to own stocks when earnings are rising like this.
Now, do you think that if these earnings are so good, do you think it'll give us another leg up for the market? In other words, back above the old high, which was 26.6, I think it was.
Oh yeah. My forecast is 28,500 for the Dow, 3,100 on the S&P 500. I made that back in December. I haven't changed, and I'm not changing. You know, so we've gone through a correction. We've gone through fears of trade wars, Fed rate hikes.
Is that by
all
year's
of
end?
These things.
That's by year's end, right?
By year's end. Yeah, by year's end. So it's like what that is roughly a 15% year. And my belief is that the risk is on the high side. We could be up 20 to 25% this year, possibly. But our forecast, I think we stayed a little conservative. We went 15% gains in the markets this year. So that's 28,500 on the Dow Jones.
Now, we've got news this morning that China is easing the rules on American car companies doing business in China. Now, that sounds positive. Is that part of the positive backdrop to the market?
Yeah, well, there's one thing about China that is always interesting, is that they can say a lot of things, but what the reality on the ground, you always have to wonder. But when the United States acts tough, and that's what this president is doing. President Trump is acting tough. When the United States acts tough and forces the rest of the world to react, usually good things happen. And my belief is that going after China is a perfectly okay thing to do. I'm worried about tariffs. I don't like tariffs in general, but to make China a more free trade place, they're the least free trade country in the world, to push them in that direction is a really positive thing. And if President Trump wins, and this looks like a win right now, look out, because this market will have another leg up on that, too.
I just want you to repeat something you said earlier.
Yeah.
The earnings reports, the profit reports we've seen so far show up like 28% compared to last year, year over year?
Yeah, 28, 29, those are the numbers that I'm seeing right now. Now, we only have 35 companies out of 500 reporting, but yes, 28%. We expect 15 to 20% earnings growth for the year as a whole, and that's a huge positive for this market.
Brian Wesbury, you put us all in a good mood. Great stuff. Wesbury, you're all right. We'll see you again soon. Thank you, sir.
Yep.